As soon as COVID hit, we recognized that Folsom Custom Skis had the ability to help and that we needed to help.
Building face shields was a great gateway into PPE, but we knew our machinery was capable of more robust solutions.
With the pandemic far from over, we wanted businesses to reopen safely, protecting both their staff and customers. Amazon's prices and turnaround times on partitions were crazy, and frankly, we knew we could do a better job.
We started to manufacture and sell through these set sizes of cashier shields, but quickly realized businesses needed custom sizes and solutions. With custom ski design as our heritage, we were able to execute this quickly and efficiently in-house.
Word began to spread outside of our network, which opened the door for larger custom installations, including hospitals, universities, retail shops, and more.
On top of ski production, Folsom is committed to building more partitions and PPE in a reliable fashion from the people that you trust.